welcome back to Angie's Table. Today we're going to be making ice cube tray sushis, and this is a really easy method to get your nigiri fix at home. I struggle making nigiris, like using your using your two fingers to mold that nigiri shape. I can't do it, and I feel like you have to be a sushi expert to do it. But I decided to make something at a comfortable level for anyone to make at home. And while we were making these ice cube tray sushis, I decided to also throw in a poke bowl recipe. So I'm gonna use the extra tuna and salmon pieces so that we can use it as toppings for our poke bowl. It's gonna be filled with a lot of veggies, very fresh and perfect for summer. So let's go and check out these ingredients. So I have my rice already pre-made, and I'm gonna add an 1/8 cup of vinegar, a teaspoon of sugar, and a little drizzle of some sesame oil. And we'll give this a mix. So it might seem like a lot of vinegar, but the rice will soak it all up. Okay, and now I'll let this sit on the side, and we'll cut up our toppings. I'm gonna save some of this cucumber, add it as a topping for our poke bowl. And make sure you guys are watching out for your hands when you do this. Don't want you guys to cut it. I'm gonna try to match the size of the ice cube tray to the slices of avocados. So I think this will do. And we can put a couple pieces for each of it. For nigiri, I'm gonna be using cucumbers and avocado as a vegetarian version, and shrimp, salmon, and tuna for the other nigiris. So to make this, we will need an ice cube tray, and I have a very generic ice cube tray, and I think this is probably the closest to actual nigiri pieces, but I've seen people make it in cube ones, and they're super cute, or different molds, and they're all really cute. But this is what I had. I got it from Target. It was really cheap, so I got this. And we're also gonna need some plastic wrap to really hold the shape, and I also didn't want sashimi pieces touching my ice cubes when I use this for other things, so that is why. You have to overestimate on the plastic because we have to fold it in like this, and when we do, it takes up a lot of space. I'm gonna make 2 avocado and 2 cucumber pieces.
Oh, you lay it at the bottom. I don't know, I thought it was gonna be at the top.
So I'm just gonna do, I think, 2 cucumber pieces each. I'm gonna do 3, why not? And next I'm gonna add avocado pieces. My nails are making indents in the avocado. It's gross. I know. And then I'll do 4 of the rest. So I'm gonna add, make sure when you do your shrimp, I did cut these shrimps in half, and make sure that the shrimp with the color is facing down. So the white is facing you. Tuna pieces, lay that down. And salmon. So I'm gonna add a little bit of wasabi to each of the salmon and for the tuna, but for the salmon, I'm also gonna add a little bit of cream cheese on there, and I think this will be a really good alternative for kids. Now we'll add our rice into each of this. And make sure to pack it in as well as you can. Grace, you can enjoy the veggie ones.
Yeah.
Sorry, we can't have any. Since it's summer break and kids are staying home with moms, I feel like this is a really cool thing to do together with your kids, and they can top it off with different ingredients that they like, and also maybe some ingredients that you can force them to eat by kind of hiding it within layers of the nigiri pieces. And now we're gonna flip this over, pull these.
Do you need help?
No. And we have our nigiri pieces. They look really good.
They look really good.
Add a little bit of fish eggs to this. Do you guys know what it's time for? Today's word of the day is 회, which means sushi. And when Koreans say sushi, it's more like sashimi. When I go to Korea and people order 회, it's usually a big platter of different types of sashimi. So when you go to a restaurant, a sushi restaurant, they have rolls or makis, and those are, it looks like kimbap. They have a lot of different toppings within the rice and seaweed roll. And nigiri is what we made during the first half, and they're rice beds with a type of fish or some topping on top of it. And sashimi is just the raw fish. So it's very thin slices of raw fish. That's what I like because, I mean, I do like my rice, I do like my nigiris, but then you do end up eating a lot of rice. So that's why I prefer sashimi. But in Korea, when you go and they say 회, they mean sashimi. And yes, so today's word of the day is 회, which means sushi. For our poke bowl, I'm just gonna cube the avocados up. Let's make slices of the cucumber as well. Some grape tomato. And some radish pieces. These look so pretty in bowls or salads. Now we're going to start plating. So I'm actually going to start with my tomatoes. Just put it all there. And then for some contrast, I'm going to add green next to it. Our cucumbers. And then we have our avocados here. And our radish slices. Really nice pop of color that radish gives. Our edamame. And we have spicy tuna. For reference to this, I have made this before when we made a spicy tuna app. So you guys can reference that YouTube video. We'll post the link right up on top. Add in a couple lemon slices. I'm gonna add lemon slices to this too. Literally, this is a combination of sriracha and mayo. Add a little bit of that. Add some fish eggs. Top it off with some black sesame seeds. We're ready to eat. Okay, we're gonna eat now. So Grace is just gonna have all the veggie ones because she can't really eat the other ones. So good.
So jealous. It's so good.
Okay, maybe I put a little bit too much wasabi.
I was gonna say there was a lot of wasabi.
But I enjoy the pain. How's the rice?
Oh, it's good. I like it. Okay.
Our beautiful bowl.
So good. The rice is actually really good. Still feels like I'm eating sushi.
Because it's like in a nigiri shape.
Yeah.
You can't get any type of salmon out there and just make sushi out of it. You gotta be careful because this is raw. And also with these, I just got blocks of it and then I just made like the thinnest slices that I could, and I tried to match the shape to the ice cube tray. So make sure you guys do that as well. And I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video and try it out. Let us know in the comments if you guys do, and we'll see you guys on our next video.